Good afternoon po, sir.
May
Good afternoon, sir.
Kylie, open cam. Come on, class. Let's make it quick. I understand, ladies and gentlemen, that we have an ongoing audit at LSPU. So with that class, I think, and considering your strength, we are only 2468. 2468. I'll be giving you this time to review or study for your next subject. However, I will be sending you a link to a pre-recorded video which you have to watch or review or take down notes from in preparation for your long quiz next week, okay? But don't worry guys, for your attendance for today, I have listed your names starting from Miss Bichayda, Matias, Salva, Calosa, Pentoy, Araguas, Trajano, and Abril. Yan. For your minimal plus points for your effort in attending this class today. So will that be okay with you, class? We will not meet today, but I'll be sending you a pre-recorded lecture. Maybe within this week, not later than Saturday.
Yes po, sir. Thank you po.
Okay. So
Yes
you
po,
are
sir.
excused.
Thank you po.
Thank you very much, class. You are excused.
Thank you po, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you po, sir.
Yes.